Hi, this is the VIVO V15 Pro and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So open first the home screen, hold with your finger empty space on your home screen and tap to widgets here. After that you will see all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, we could use the Google News, the Drive, the Search, Gmail app, the calendar, weather and more other apps. For example, to add the widget we should hold, for example, here we have no another any space, so just tap to the widget, and to edit you should only click on it. After that, if you wanna just move widget on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. If you wanna remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icons. Some widgets you could resize, but not two of these widgets. So if you have the possibility to remove the widget, you will see, for example, let's add the notes maybe, or the Gmail one, the notes, or is it notes display? Okay, new note, for example, let's add the new note. And to change the size you should hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller, and to remove it by the same way, hold it and tap to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.